हेलो एस्पिरेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है एनालिस्ट आईएएस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। हमारा आज का टॉपिक डिस्कशन के लिए है इंडिया एंड द कोरियन वॉर। तो पहले हम देख लेते हैं उस वॉर के बारे में कुछ सीख।
They hit the communist columns. Everybody knows that American planes played the most important part in this war.
अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं वाई इन न्यूज द कोरियन वॉर। वॉर का कोर्स क्या था, कैसे कैसे वॉर लड़ी गई थी, इंडिया ने इसमें ऐसा क्या रोल प्ले किया था, अब वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है करंट वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर में जो कि ऑलरेडी बिगड़ा हुआ है रशिया यूक्रेन के वॉर से, कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक के बाद से इंडिया का क्या रोल रह सकता है, व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इट। देन वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग आवर टुडेस प्रीलिम्स प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। वाई न्यूज, इंडिया के पास इस साल की G20 प्रेसिडेंसी है and India recalled its diplomatic role in the Korean War which happened approx 70 years ago. India has stated that it will be the voice of the global south for peace. ये एक envoy इंडिया ने भेजा था where you can see that weapons and cameras are not allowed. These are Indian soldiers in the Korean War. The Korean War. So ये North Korea which was supported by China and the USSR, इन्होंने साउथ कोरिया में इन्वेजन किया था एंड नॉर्थ कोरिया साउथ कोरिया के बीच में था एंड साउथ कोरिया वाज सपोर्टेड बाय यूएस एंड द अलाइड कंट्रीज। इन 1950 3 साल तक वॉर चली थी एंड इट एंडेड इन 1953। इट वाज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ द कोल्ड वॉर राइवलरी बिटवीन द देन सुपर पावर्स व्हिच वाज यूएस व्हिच वाज कैपिटलिस्ट एंड द सोवियत यूनियन व्हिच वाज कम्युनिस्ट। दिस इज द 38th parallel along which the South Korea and North Korea are still divided. This peninsula have been divided at the end of the World War II along the 30th parallel, and the Soviet and the US forces occupying the north and the south respectively. Here was the USSR force, Soviet forces, and here was US forces. 1948 में, when the two Koreas declared themselves as separate countries and held their own elections, the occupying forces departed to their own destinations. However, neither North Korea nor the South accepted the other, and they both claim the entire Korean peninsula even today. After that, what happened after 1948? This is how the war started. So Korea was divided along the 30th parallel. Then in June to September 1950, North Korea invades South Korea and the war begins. It was backed by the USSR. So it invaded up to here. Later on, what happened in September 1950, under Douglas MacArthur, additional UN forces landed at Lincoln. अब इन्होंने यहां से इन्वेजन शुरू किया। देन सितंबर अक्टूबर 1950 तक यूएस एंड अदर यूएन फोर्सेस यहां तक काउंटर अटैक करके पहुंच चुके थे, जिन्होंने चौसान वगैरह तक आ गए थे। लेटर ऑन व्हाट हैपेंड दैट अक्टूबर टू नवंबर 1950, क्योंकि ये चाइना के काफी पास आ गए थे, तो चाइनीज troops entered into Korea and they forced the UN troops towards the southwards. Later on, up to November-December 1950, the UN troops retreated from North Korea. ये यहां से वापस आते हैं। मैक्सिमम जो इन्वेजन हुआ था कम्युनिस्ट का वो यहां तक हुआ था। They invaded up to here in January 1951. Later on, there was a war going on, and in July 1953, armistice agreement was drawn and armistice line is drawn where the fighting was ended. So on July 27, 1953, Korean armistice agreement made हुआ था। ये एक पीस एग्रीमेंट था जिसमें सीज फायर था, वॉर को ऑफिशियली एंड नहीं किया गया था। रोल प्लेड बाय द इंडिया। नाउ इंडिया ने काफी यूनिक रोल प्ले किया था because it had no specific geopolitical interest in the Korean peninsula and it maintained a neutral position, believing in the reunification of the peninsula. Now, as the 1950 Korean War placed Cold War adversities against each other, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he made a massive diplomatic effort to prevent the conflict from escalating into another global war, क्योंकि already Second World War हो चुकी थी, and for the parties to reach a quick truce. This was the role which was placed by India. At that time of invasion, India was among the 6 non-permanent members of the UN Security Council. During its rotating presidency, 3 resolutions which were moved by the US on the war, they came up in the quick succession. For example, US said for the withdrawal of no troops from the South Territory. These were the things. Now, अर्जेंट प्रॉब्लम जो समय राइज हुई थी वो थी प्रिजनर्स ऑफ वॉर का क्या किया जाए. तो के कृष्णा मेनन, हु वाज इंडियाज परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एट द यूनाइटेड नेशंस एंड वाज आल्सो अ मेंबर ऑफ यूएन स्पेशल पॉलिटिकल कमिटी, इनके अंडर एक न्यूट्रल नेशंस रिपैट्रिएशन कमिटी बनाई गई. इट वाज सेट अप एंड इंडिया वाज सिलेक्टेड टू चेयर द कमिटी. Role played by India, and India sent the 60th Parachute Field Ambulance also, which did outstanding work treating the wounded soldiers. ये दोनों साइड के केवल wounded soldiers को ट्रीट करने का काम दिया था. And here you can see there was no weapons or cameras allowed. So केवल इंडियन आर्मी का काम वहां के दोनों साइड के wounded soldiers को सही करना था. This was a very unique and good effort by our then Prime Minister and his envoy. In 2013, British scholar Robert Barnes, he chronicled Nehru's and his envoy's effort to bring the conflict to a swift conclusion, prevent the UN from adopting a policy that might lead to its escalation, and reconcile the divergent positions of the two superpower blocs. Now, what is the way forward in the current world order? With the post-COVID geopolitical order undergoing major changes and global economies deteriorate कर रही हैं, so North Korea, it will want to focus on strengthening its already weakened economy, especially when the country was very hard hit by the pandemic. As the world struggles to find a solution to the Ukraine's conflict, President Volodymyr Zelensky offered President Xi Jinping from China कि वो यूक्रेन आए और एक बार वहां विजिट करें. बिकॉज रिसेंटली हम एक वीडियो और बना चुके हैं जिसमें चाइना ने सऊदी ईरान पीस एग्रीमेंट साइन करवाया था. नाउ इन करंट सिनेरियो द वॉर बिटवीन रशिया एंड यूक्रेन, इंडियाज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑलरेडी सेड दैट दिस इज नॉट द एरा ऑफ द वॉर, हैज गिवन राइज टू एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट इंडिया, which often casts itself as the role of the Vishwaguru, it can mediate between the Russia and the Ukraine to bring end to the war which is happening from past more than 1 year. And Brazil's president, इन्होंने एक डिजायर है कि he want to establish a peace club जिसके मेंबर चाइना और इंडिया भी होंगे, and they will collaborate in finding a solution in the Ukraine. So this was the way forward. Now let's discuss our today's prelims practice question. The course of Korean War was from 1950, 53, 1939, 44, 1914, 18, 1961 to 63. You can answer it in the comment section. Prelims practice question 2. What was the main motive of Armistice Agreement? Containment of communalism, providing financial aid to Korea, ceasefire between South and North Korea, nuclear deal pact. This was all about today's video and session, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe so you can get our notifications on a daily basis. Thank you, have a nice day, and stay tuned with the Analyst IAS for your better